Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is from our Wing Chun self-defense. It's learning how to defend the grab. It's one of a 4-part video series, but before we get there, I need you to go over to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
Message for the week was don't get grabbed, right? Everything we did was don't get grabbed. Don't let somebody come in to grab you, right? Whatever it is, 2-hand grab, single-hand grab, we went ride. So the drills we've been working on, Pak Sao, Chun Sao, Lop Sao, punch, punch, right? So here we did what? Pak Chun, Lop, punch, punch, Pak Chun, Lop, punch, punch, right? That's the drill you've been working. So whether it's a punch or a grab, it's the same thing. Somebody's coming in to grab you. This is your fight. You fight it. Don't let them grab you. So the first thing we do is really simple. He's going to come in. I just want you to step off the line, right? He's coming in to grab. Pak Sao, Chun Sao. 1, 2. So the Chun kits, right, in Wing Chun, the Chun kits, what they call the little pearls of wisdom, he puts pressure on me. What's the Chun kit dictate? I put it right back on him. So as he's applying pressure, come back in 1 and 2 piece him. Okay, nice and simple. Pak Sao, Chun Sao, 1 and 2. Or come off here, Pak Sao, Chun Sao, high, high. I don't care which way you do it. Other side. I want you guys to vary it. Pak Chun, 1 and 2. I don't care if you use fists. The second one could be an elbow. Or as you guys are doing the drills, Pak Sao, Chun Sao, punch, punch. Pak Sao, Chun Sao, punch, punch. This is what we've been training. So the goal of right now is just one of several. Somebody comes to grab you, don't get in a habit of standing there. People tend to get very lackadaisical. You should be just moving off the line, 1 and 2. Okay? We're going to warm up with this one. We worked on these all week. I want to do some follow-ups. All right? Yes, sir. Your choice. So if he comes, I can have sidestep, right? I can release step. I can T-step. Any one of those is fine, and they are all interchangeable. Everybody good? All right, warm up with this back and forth, right?
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.